Today, we're going to demonstrate how to connect MARSRIVA's inverter and battery, step by step. Let's begin with the inverter. Open the cover at the bottom of the inverter, and you'll see the following key components. On this side, you have the AC input and output interfaces. Here is the battery interface. And over here, you'll find the PV input interface. Now, let's go through the wiring and startup operations. Start by locating the positive and negative battery input terminals on the inverter. Connect the battery wires to the corresponding terminals, making sure to secure them tightly by pressing them in place. Next, connect the AC input and AC output wires to the respective AC input and output interfaces on the inverter. After that, press this button to turn on the circuit breaker and then proceed to start the inverter. Once started, the inverter screen will light up, indicating that it's powered on. For communication, use the RS485 interface to establish the connection. This is the BMS interface on the inverter. Connect it to the battery management system using a network cable for proper communication between the inverter and the battery. Once the battery screen lights up, press the inverter switch to complete the startup. This signals that the inverter is now running and begins outputting power to the system. At this point, the inverter is up and running. The load is currently 1 kilowatts and the battery is actively discharging. The load is 1 kilowatt with a battery discharge current of 21A.